Hey guys, a very good morning. Fabio here. Hope you guys are all well. Quick announcement, tomorrow is the last daily market outlook of the year. Hope you guys enjoyed this year as much as I did. It was my pleasure for this year, and we will be back with the daily market outlooks from January, I think the second week of January. And in the meantime, lots of educational content coming out, so don't worry about that. But for now, enjoy today's episode. The dollar index, the major dollar pairs are going to be discussed, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's dive straight in. Okay guys, so after seeing some more upside than initially expected yesterday, we can see that we still formed resistance over here at the peak of this area. So over here we had resistance, of course, and later in that phase we also found resistance. I was already shorting the dollar over here. However, as you guys can see, we saw one last spike up, just grabbing some more liquidity from this wick over here, which was supply, or was acting as supply, and now we've seen a break of that trend line. So let's see if we can now see sustained push. What I really want to see is this kind of structural level over here being broken. Let's see if we can see a push below, particularly a retest, or probably a retest, maybe even higher, and then a push back down in towards that 95.5 region. Quickly diving in towards the 2-hour time frame, what we can see is that we have a very obvious area of supply located over here. So if we do see a pullback, I would love to see a pullback in towards that area of supply, which aligns beautifully with this area of resistance as well. So yeah, that's it for me on the dollar index. Pretty bearish, and let's see if we can find some further downside as explained in yesterday's video. So yeah, let's head over to our first pair, which is Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar is nearing this area of supply at the top of this range. Yeah, so as I said in yesterday's video, expecting more downside from there. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for now. Yeah, pretty much it. You could also draw supply like this from wick to wick, but I would prefer to draw it from the body. So I am looking for a potential short from over here, this white line at around 0.721536. So yeah, shorts possibly from there if we do see a rejection. After that, we have multiple levels of supply, for instance over here, over here, over here, lots of untouched areas of supply. So if we do not see a reaction and we do not form resistance at this one, then I'll be looking for shorts from over here, from over here, or from over here. It all depends on the reaction that we get. The VIP community members, link is in the description down below, know when to enter these trades. So without further ado, let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, guys, so euro dollar yeah, moved a little bit further down than expected yesterday. As you guys can see, we grabbed some more liquidity from this area of demand, currently moving back up. Yeah, it's a pretty tough one in the sense that we have some kind of contradicting market structure, in the sense that, okay, so daily is now bearish over here. We have been reacting to this area of supply. So now if we dive in towards the 4-hour essentially has also flipped bearish, as this over here. This low was our swing low, so we've now taken out the swing low over here, seen a close below. So now we're just forming a pullback on the impulse from here to here. So now if we were to draw in a fib, we have to draw in from here to here. So let's see if we can start seeing a pullback, but yeah, there's no real clean liquidity, only up above over here at around 1.13635, excuse me. So if we are looking for shorts, then I'll be waiting for euro dollar to head up in towards my area of supply. From there, I will be looking for potential shorts back down in towards the downside. So yeah, that's euro dollar. Let's go to our next pair, which is pound dollar. And pound dollar still reacting to that trend line. As you guys can see, I was expecting more upside yesterday. We started breaking out, but then yeah, just rejected back down again. Currently, we are not really moving that much or that interesting. It's mainly just consolidation as of now. Would really prefer not to trade pound dollar as of now, as yeah, we're just kind of stuck in between this area of resistance and this area of support. I am expecting a push up higher if we do start to see the dollar index fall down lower. So I'll just be anticipating on a dollar or pound dollar movement with the help of the dollar index, but I am expecting a breakout in the near future. So yeah, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar, as you guys can see, has been pulling up higher. Yeah, very messy pair at the moment. This is a 2-hour, this is the 4-hour. So the 4-hour yesterday saw some reaction from this area of supply. We're currently essentially still located in supply. However, my preference level is up above over here at 0.68495 before looking for any potential shorts. So main focus is on this level over here. this is the strongest area of 4-hour supply. From there, a potential downside move once again. So yeah, that's essentially it, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I wish you all a fantastic day. Gold will be dropped in the community, and if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact me through the Discord server. Link is in the description down below. Thanks, guys.